What is up, y'all? This is Alex from Alex PC Tech, back at you with another video. And on today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the ROG FALCHIon together with the ROG PBT DOUBLESHOT Keycap set. Okay. So just a disclaimer, this is not a paid advertisement. This is just our first look and our first honest impressions on the ROG FALCHIon together with the ROG PBT DOUBLESHOT Keycap set. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the ROG FALCHIon first to see how it looks and how it's built. So what I've had here is a wireless keyboard with Cherry MX switches that also has RGB Aura Sync. Okay, as with all Aura or as with all Asus products, the RGB can be controlled through the software, the Aura Sync. And let's see, as usual, the packaging of Asus is really premium. Okay, nice. So let's see. So looking at the height, checking the height, it's quite hefty. It's quite a little bit heavy, considering as this is marketed as a portable keyboard. Okay, but I guess that is because of the quality. So what else do we have in the box? We have the stickers, we have the manual, and of course the warranty. Aside from that, let's see. Oh yeah, we also have the keyboard. So we also have the cord. Okay, this one comes with a USB-C as well to USB port, so you can do this, but I'm not sure if this is a rechargeable keyboard, wireless keyboard. Okay, so let's have a look at how it is. Okay, so yeah, nice. So these are Cherry MX mechanical switches. This is the sample type. It's not that noisy. It's okay. It's fine. Considering that these are Cherry MX mechanical switches, it's fine. But looking at it, man, damn, it's really gorgeous. See, it's handy, it's portable, and it's really gorgeous. Looking at the back, it has the ROG logo with the brushed aluminum finishes, as you can see here. And yeah, we can remove this. It's serving as a base right now. This can be removed, and this one was removed. And here we have the back of the keyboard. So we have here the ROG logo, and then we have the stands that came with it. It also came with these rubber pads, so anti-slip pads. Okay, these rubber pads. Let's see. Okay, yeah, they will not slip. When doing so, they will really not slip. Okay, it really won't slip. So they are really useful. Checking the sturdiness, yes, it is very sturdy because it is covered by aluminum. And then, as usual, Asus always prides itself with durability and quality. So the build quality is very nice, to be honest. This can also be used as a cover as well for the keyboard. So, for example, you want to, is this correct? Yeah, it fits as a cover. But I think it is more of a base plate like that, because it also has rubber paddings at the bottom. And same with the keyboard itself, the cover has the Asus logo at the back. So this is a 65% wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. It has the keyboard cover. It has the side RGBs. Also, it has these interactive buttons at the side, as you can see here. It has these interactive buttons where you can control volume. These are volume controls, I guess. Upon checking the RGB is not that bright, to be honest. Some RGBs are really light spilling at the side, but in this case, this keyboard doesn't do that. Aside from that, I think you can, aside from that, you can assign macro keys using the Asus Aura Crate. If, for example, because I usually play Dota and sometimes I want to play Invoker, so you can assign macro keys to the F1 or to specific buttons of your liking based on your combo. For example, I want to cold snap someone instantly, or I want to ghost walk, okay? So I can like macro QQQ on one button and QQQ and then invoke. So invoker tips for you. Aside from that, you can also disable alt tab. If you're like me and you're accustomed to playing Dota 1, you should be able to know that the alt key is for toggling the health bar of the characters or the heroes in Dota 2. So if you happen to press alt all the time and accidentally press tab, so that's a problem, because your game will go out of the desktop and your friends or your allies will shout out you because why didn't you skill, Mirana? What happened? Why didn't you arrow? So what you can do through the armory crate is to disable Alter F4 so you won't be able to accidentally press it. What or who is this keyboard for? If you are gaming on mobile, okay, or if you brought your laptop and you wanna use a separate keyboard for you to play because you have really hard hands and you don't want to use the mushy keyboards that are sometimes found on your laptop, then you can use this keyboard to augment your laptop experience or even your mobile experience, as this can also be connected through wireless. Aside from the cables that came with it or the wires, this can also be connected through wireless. So having looked at the Asus ROG FALCHIon, I would like to look at the ROG PBT DOUBLESHOT keypad set. Now, what is this? These are replacement keycaps, and they are said to be short-stemmed, high-quality, and double-shot keycaps with ROG font, perfect for backlighting. So let's try it out and see what is inside this double-shot keycap set. Okay, okay. So it comes in layers. Okay, how nice, how organized is that, right? So upon checking the keycap set, it is really made of high quality PBT. They are quite shorter than your usual mechanical keys. As you can see here, this keyboard, okay, the ROG FALCHIon already used this PBT double-shot keycap set. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna show you how to quickly replace them by using the tool that is provided with the keycap set, okay? You just simply click it on and then pull it off, and then put one keycap, for example, and then replace it. So it's really that easy to attach these keys. The next thing that I noticed about these keycaps is that they are really stable, okay? Aside from being Cherry MX switches that sometimes have wobble on the side, these double-shot keycaps they have no wobble at the side. Because sometimes when you press or accidentally press a key on a different side, sometimes the force that you apply is different, okay? But on these ones, they feel equally distributed when pressing the keys. So I think the typing on this is good, right? So portability, durability, and the design of the keys of the ROG FALCHIon really is for gamers on the go. So if I were you, if I need a keyboard that is really for you, if you're on the go, you want to play on your coffee shop or you want to play on your mobile using these keyboard, then I would really suggest that you look into the ROG FALCHIon. And if you are looking for replacement keycaps for your mechanical keyboard, the double-shot keycap set from ROG. These PBT are really made to last. They are durable. Aside from the quality, they are like Legos, you know, they are so strong. Because aside from the quality, they have this diffusion plastic at the back of the illumination light for the letters to show pretty well. So looking at it, it's pretty well made. It's not that noisy, and it looks amazing. It just looks dope. So I guess that's it for this unboxing and initial review of the ROG FALCHIon. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding the keyboard or the keycaps that we have right now, please do comment down below, and see you on the next video.